Hello. This guide will show you how to create a custom product template for your Shopify theme. Once created, all of the Configurator built-in layouts will enjoy a more streamlined presentation, and your customers will be happy too. Let's get started. If you haven't already, click the Configurator Settings tab on the Configurator app. At the top, under Configurator Settings, you'll see a horizontal menu. Click Product Template. Notice the badge next to Template Status. If the product template is not installed or installed incorrectly, this badge's background will remain gray and be labeled Not Installed. Once the product template has been created successful, the badge's background will be green and will be labeled Installed, along with the name of the Shopify theme installed. The first thing you need to do is to click the Copy button so the required JSON code is ready to be pasted in the new template. Now, click Online Store in the left Shopify menu. In the middle of the Themes page, you'll see a button labeled Edit Theme. To the left is a button with 3 dots. Click this button. Then, in the pop-up, click Edit Code. Once the code editor appears, find the Templates section in the left menu. Right-click on Templates, then click New File. Name this new file product.configurator.json, and then click on the right side of the screen. Default code has been placed inside of this template. You will need to delete this code and paste the JSON code you copied earlier. With the cursor inside of the code window, type Ctrl+A to select all of the code. Now, click on the Delete key on your keyboard. Now, with the cursor still in the code window, type Ctrl+V to paste the JSON code you copied earlier. Click the Save link located in the top right area of the screen. Let's go back to the previous browser tab and click the Configurator app tab. Click Product Template again to scroll down the page. You should now see the Template Status badge with a green background color. In the Product Assignment section below, if you already have Configurator products ready, you can click the Assign All button to automatically configure them to use the new template, or you can go to each Configurator product and set them individually. At any time, you can click the Assign All button to assign the new template to new Configurator products. This completes the custom product template creation and installation.